In 2021, you said you would start. In 2022, you uploaded maybe a couple of videos here and there, the same story. 2023, you uploaded just a few vids here and there, but nothing too serious. Every year, you make an excuse. Every year you delay it. I will explain to you why you are not starting now. Start your YouTube channel now. But this year it will be different. I am giving you the green light to start. I am giving you permission. Don't let your passion and your interest go to waste another year. Start your channel now. I felt nervous about going on camera in the beginning. I have experienced some anxiety growing up, walking down the street, talking to someone. I just felt anxiety, like what are they thinking? Do they like me? What is going on in their mind? But uploading to the internet, that is even more stressful. I felt like, who are all of these people that I am uploading the video to? What will they think when they see my video? Will they even like it? Will it even help them? Will I even be useful? Will I look stupid? But I didn't care. I just uploaded. I am being like your big brother right now, and I am telling you to upload. Don't delay it anymore. Just hit record. Let me tell you something. The truth is that most people, they don't care too much about what you are providing as long as it helps them a little bit. And in fact, 10% of people actually like you a lot, and 1% of them actually love you. So when you upload, they will like you. They will like your videos. Believe in yourself and do it. Start your YouTube channel now. I don't care what it's about. Gaming, travel, music, filmmaking, makeup, arts and crafts. It can be anything. Just start it now. Let me tell you the story of a YouTuber who was starting out and they were struggling. This is a real YouTuber, by the way. I will let you know who they are in a sec. They had serious medical problems. They had huge bills that they had to pay. He was just going to school and he was having these ideas coming up in his mind about what to start his YouTube channel about. He had so many amazing thoughts and he was very passionate. He wanted to make really good videos. He made some videos. He struggled. He had dreams of reaching 1 million subscribers. That was like an unattainable thing. If he was like, oh, let me just get to that. He made a video for his future self in 5 years. He said, you better reach 1 million subscribers. You better be a great YouTuber. He said that to his future self. Some of you may already know who that YouTuber is, judging by this description that I just gave you. But he hit that subscriber goal, 1 million subscribers. Actually, he got even more. Right now, he is the biggest single YouTuber on the platform by subscriber counts. His name is Mr. Beast. He started out small, but he kept growing. Open up a notepad right now and write some ideas. Start your YouTube channel right now. Write a little script, hit record on that camera. It can be your phone. Get the ball rolling. First, you just start doing it, then you get good. It takes a lot of time. No more procrastination. I want you to visualize your success. Imagine in your mind that you are already a successful YouTuber, that you have a lot of subscribers and your videos are being enjoyed. Once you imagine this, it will become true. Put in the work and visualize. Combination of those two things, visualization and actual hard work, that will lead you to success. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. So just begin. Let me give you some bad news though. But your first couple videos, they're not gonna really perform that well, most likely, if you haven't done this before. But just get things started, get the ball rolling. If you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can be enrolled onto the YouTube partner program and actually get paid. Let me tell you a YouTuber, Graham Stephan, he made over $7 million last year just from the ads. This is possible. You can do this. You can make money on YouTube. If you get 300,000 views, you can get around $2,000 per month, which is a good side income. That is just from ads though. You can get money from so many other sources on YouTube. If you add all of those incomes together, it can generate quite a significant income and it can allow you to achieve a life of financial independence and happiness. That is the goal of my channel. My name is Mahad from Tubasol and I am helping you to grow your YouTube channel and gain more influence. If this video is helping you, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Let me just give you a second right now to subscribe. Okay. Okay, the button's right there. Just hit that red button. Come on, show some support. Have you done? Are you done? Have you hit subscribe? Thank you. Let me tell you something. There's a famous saying in the Navy. Everyone wants to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die. Everyone wants to achieve success, but not put in the hard work. I'm telling you to put in the hard work. Just do a little bit and keep growing it from there every day. Just make a video today. Come on, you can do it. I know you can. Let me know what your actions will be. Let me know down in the comments if this is actually motivating you. No more delays. You are uploading today. Nowadays, YouTube has changed. You can actually get big with your first video. you can get so many views just from your first video. It is possible, even though it's unlikely, but you can get big quicker than you used to. It's not like back in the old days in 2006 and 7 where the YouTube algorithm was different. Now videos can get pushed out to other people on YouTube and everyone can see it and they can all watch it. It's called getting into suggested and recommended. That is the YouTube algorithm. It pushes your video out to the audience. You don't have to tell everyone about your video. Don't do that. Don't do that. YouTube will do that for you. So start now. You will get good at making videos later. You'll figure out everything. You'll figure out thumbnails, editing, all of that. Storytelling, tags, descriptions, SEO, all of those things. There is a Japanese philosophy called the Kaizen technique, and that means improving little by little over a long period of time. And what that does is that those little improvements, they add up over time and they become a huge improvement. So I hope that you join this Tube Hustle community where we are dedicated to growing our YouTube channels. This is a community that I am leading and I want you to join my community. Hit the subscribe button and keep watching my videos. I will have more videos coming up. But first, there is something else that I need to tell you. But actually, once you become successful on YouTube, how do you actually make money on there? I actually have another video that I have made explaining this. You can watch that right here.